Good morning, this is Ferla from Any House Cleaning, and this is a brand new house I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna ask Jose to clean this part of behind of the washer and dryer. There is no only dust, is some cement stick into the surface and some paint. So he's gonna use water and a scraper, a microfiber cloth, magic eraser if that's necessary, and this sand sponge. Okay, señora. I'm gonna show you now the house. I know that people say why you have to show us the house, but it's really important for us to show the house. Carlitos already, mira, en esa esquina de allá y esas de allá, ¿no? He is gonna take care of this part. He has to remove the cobwebs. All the cobwebs. And he's gonna broom this area. So this is a brand new house in Champions Gate. The builder's already clean, but there is more things to do. Builders give the house in really good shape. However, there is dust in the front entry, doors, and this is the main entry. I'm gonna show you where it needs to be clean. Oh, everything needs to be clean. Let's see. You can see right there some flies or dust. I don't know. In a video, you cannot appreciate the haze on the floor or the dust or the fine paint. Little details. And this is why they hire us to do the little details. If you have a new house and you don't do the new construction or the new house cleaning really good, you will never take care of that. When the owner of this house called me, she says, it's a brand new house, everything is clean, just a little bit of dust. Okay, I will check it out. For example, a regular cleaning, they don't take care of this situation. I don't know if you can see, hard to see, but there is some fine dust or paint on the surface, okay? Nothing major, but it's things like that. But it takes time. Nothing grows. Everything is a brand new. And the people that hire our services, they need to know that you are a well-known company. There is dust here. That you have insurance, because if you broke something, if you damaged the new carpet, if you damaged the window, they're gonna go after you. So a lot of detail we have to open and clean all the surface. In a video it's hard to see the spots, but I'm gonna try to show you. Dígame.
Señora Fiorella, dice Carlitos que yo no enciendo. ¿Esto lo puedo activar con esto?
Sí. There is dust here. But in a video you cannot see. It's white, but the fine dust is white too. So, little details. paint, especially near the edges, dust, things like that. I don't know if you can see in a video, it's hard to see. Let's see. Windows, and you have to record if there is any damage. Nobody is gonna blame to you. Another bathroom, brand new, just checking out for haze or paint. Nothing gross, everything new. Things like that. This is cement. Stick on the surface. Check this out. Paint and cement. Dusting. Un minuto, por favor, señor. Master bedroom. You need to take care of the carpet. Beautiful master bedroom. Shower. Some fingerprints in the glass that you cannot see, of course. Let's see this. I don't know if you can see. Do you see this? This is the things that you have to look for. I don't know if you can see it. Some cement over here. Everything is brand new. But you have to look that there is no dust on the surface, on the floor. Light fixtures, this one is better, but right there, I don't know if you can do the zoom. There is white spots. Basically is removing dust and do pretty much everything before the people come. It's like more about sanitizing and cleaning. Everything looks good, but you have to clean it anyway. Walk-in closet. Remove the dust that is here. Light fixtures. All the blinds. Carlos is. Good. All the windows. Cobwebs. I don't know if you can see that cobweb over there. We have to pull down the blind and dust the blind. Window, remove that kind of paint. This is outside. Clean the rail. There is some cement over there. Kitchen. the kitchen area. It's already damaged here. You have to notify that, because if you don't notify, they're gonna blame to you. Cabinets, on top of the cabinets, remove those fingerprints. I don't know if you can see. Do you see? New owners, depending of the location, they are picky and they want their house sanitized. Not disinfected, it's sanitized, and clean all the surface before they move in. They want to maintain a new house. Do you see some fingerprints, fine dust? So maybe you're not learning that much in this video, but when you do an estimate, or if you are the owner and you're hired a cleaning company, you will know where to look and supervise the job. Dust, there is a plastic that you have to remove. Everything is new. You have to take care properly. Everything. Remove that. Wipe just with a microfiber cloth and damp water. It's brand new, everything. Just remove the dust. Cabinets, cobwebs, and you need to check this tile and remove any kind of haze. Backsplash, corners, baseboards, light fixtures, electric plates, and the haze for this new tile floor. This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and we have to start working. I have another house, so we split. I'm gonna go to the other house. It's a small house. Things like that. When people don't move right away, there is a lot of cobwebs and spiders. Okay? I will go to the other house, record, come back, and try to do some videos. The internet is slow, really slow. So let's see if I can do a remix. Thank you. Bye.